Foxtrot, traffic is no factor. Descend to maintain 4,100.
4,100 and no factor for the traffic, full freight off Foxtrot.
Number 8 Alpha Foxtrot, thanks. And again, the Napa Airport, 1 o'clock and about 8 miles now.
I think I see it, right?
Yeah, I think that's it right there.
Trying to see, oh, hello.
Say we got it in sight.
And 448 Alpha Foxtrot has runway in sight.
Foxtrot cleared visual, runway 24.
Clear for visual, runway 24, 448 Alpha Foxtrot.
Alright, so runway 24 is out this way, so...
It's that one, right? That's coming this way?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to kind of...
We'll skirt around.
Yeah. Kind of perpendicular to that highway there, right? And then coming in.
Yeah. Oh, how wide is...
8 Alpha Foxtrot, contact Napa Tower, 118.7.
118.7, 448 Alpha Foxtrot. Checklist both power and mixture.
If you guys easy on the engines, we're going to pass behind you.
Napa Tower, 448 Alpha Foxtrot with you, northwest 6 miles. Inbound for the visual, runway 24.
Cessna 448 Alpha Foxtrot, Napa Tower, enter right base, runway 24, report 3 mile base.
Right base for 24 and we'll report 3 miles, 448 Alpha Foxtrot.
Cool. Alright, so we can pretty much head in towards the right base there. Yeah, you see the runway?
Yep. That's the gray one?
Yeah.
Cessna 9014 Zulu, squat VFR.
Alright, before landing, seats and belts are good. Fuel selector valve is both. Mixture is rich. Landing lights is
aerial
on.
survey. They give me a squat code.
And 9014 Zulu, the
And we'll do a
incorrectly, you'll be able to
full stop, like taxi to the FBO or something.
Okay.
And then we can assess how. I mean, it looks like there's still a pretty decent.
Yeah, you can see a pod lay right there.
Yeah, we can reassess and see if we want to fly to a different airport in the Bravo airspace. Because we're not really over there. We don't have the chaos of Bravo yet. Have you flown in Bravo airspace?
I have not. I've not flown in Bravo.
It'd be cool to get you a little bit of that experience.
Yeah, definitely.
So let's when we get in there, we can just park down and shut down for a couple minutes, head into the FBO, and
okay.
Kind of flight plan out a little bit.
Citation 363, Bravo Charlie, climb, maintain 6,000, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
clear for takeoff.
So yeah, what I was talking about, this side of it is all kind of upsloping, right? And then the other side is just like pretty much sea level.
Like there's someone getting onto the runway now. Taxiing on there.
Yeah, I think so. Their regular traffic pattern's at 1,000 feet.
Kind of diving down.
Yeah, my ears are popping. Oh, yeah, your landing checklist complete?
Landing checklist complete, yeah. Yep. We'll put in flaps once we get down here.
Give them a call because we'll have to turn final in a second here.
Cessna 8 Alpha Foxtrot, runway 24, clear to land, use caution, wait turbulence, departed citation.
Okay, cleared to land, use caution, runway 24, full freight up Foxtrot.
Alright, so just be ready on this. If it's really bumpy, let's just do a quick lap of the pattern, go around. And let's slow it up
Cessna 14 Zulu, freaking change group.
Have a good day, 9114 Zulu.
Let's slow up to about 75. That'll give us a little bit more time.
Okay.
And you can dirty us up and everything.
110, we can put in 10 degrees, right?
Yep.
Station 6 Bravo Charlie, free contact departure.
6 Bravo Charlie, thank you. See you tomorrow.
Yep. And let's keep slowing up. Pull back a little bit. That'll give us a little bit more time for the wake to kind of clear up. And on this, we're going to taxi all the way down to, we should be able to exit on the other runway. No, it's closed, but maybe we'll be able to. Otherwise, we have to go all the way down to the end. Looks like there might be a little taxiway right there. Going right for the numbers, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll roll down. Gotcha.
Cessna 8 Alpha Foxtrot, turn right, taxiway Charlie, contact
here,
9.7.
Okay, taxiway Charlie and 0.7 on ground, 448 Alpha Foxtrot.
I'll put ground to 1.7. And then we'll just stop right after this taxiway, or right before getting to a hotel there. And I didn't even see these taxiways. Do our after landing, and then call up ground.
Cool. After landing checklist, throttle 1000, flaps are up, strobe lights are off, light, turn that off, taxi light is required, keep that on, transponder, we'll keep it as.
Yep, that works to leave it on there.
Cool. Alright, and then you switch this over to ground already?
Yep.
And request taxi to the FBO, correct?
Yeah.
Napa ground, 448 Alpha Foxtrot Charlie, request taxi to the FBO.
Could you confirm one more time?
One more time? Yep. Roger, Napa ground, this is 448 Alpha Foxtrot at taxiway Charlie, request taxi to the FBO.
448 Alpha Foxtrot, Napa ground, taxi to the right, straight ahead Charlie.
Oh, straight ahead, right? Yep. Roger, taxi straight ahead, 448 Alpha Foxtrot. Alright, clear on the left and the right.